What is going on, guys? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Super excited to dive in. But before we do, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. And last week, guys, I wasn't very active on the charts because I was busy recording content for my new coaching community here, which is based around my journey from zero, homeless, drug addicted loser, all the way to 7 figures. So if you're struggling in life, guys, maybe you've got a business you're struggling with, maybe you're struggling to make things work, maybe things always seem to go wrong for you, go check out that video. It's super insightful. And if you want to speak to me, you can book a call on the next page. So back on the gold chart here, guys, what is the first thing we can see? The bullish monthly impulse leg. So we know we're bullish on the monthly time frame. And what is the first thing that we want to do? We want to mark out our previous monthly candlestick highs and lows. And these are our levels of liquidity that price will shoot for, and also our levels that price will also use as support and resistance. So we can see here, the monthly candlestick is currently pushing through. So while price is above this level here, I'm going to be targeting the next level right here, which is this all-time high. So on the lower time frames, I'm expecting price to use this as support and continue up. So if we jump down to the weekly time frame, what can we see? We have got this previous weekly candle here, previous weekly candle here, that's closed above this monthly high, this previous monthly candlestick high. So that is our confirmation candle for price to continue going up. And also a confirmation candle for price to use this level now as support to trade through this level. So what can we see on the weekly time frame? We are bullish. So we're expecting impulse, retracement, continuation, which is exactly what's happening here. And while above this level, we're expecting price to close that gap. So if we jump down to the daily time frame, what can we see here? So again, we're bullish on the monthly, bullish on the daily, bullish on the weekly, and bullish on the daily. So while we're above this level here, we're going to be expecting now price to use this level as support, remember, and continue. And what can we see in here? We can see an imbalance on the daily time frame. So we've got another confluence now added to our zone that we're wanting to see be used as support resistance, now turning into support while we trade through this gap. So daily candlestick, we've had a lot of rejection there. There's no real indication where price is going next with that candlestick close. So we'll jump down onto the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we've got two zones here. So you can see now, look, we've opened up this imbalance a little bit on the 4-hour time frame. This is sitting on the zone we're expecting, or that we're wanting to see price reverse from and give us those continuations. But we have another zone here that I will be looking for continuations from first, right here. And we dropped a buy limit in this zone right here as well. On the lower time frame, though, we'll refine it in a moment. So we have on the 4-hour impulse, retracement, and then we're expecting the continuation, which hasn't happened yet. We've got this nice confirmation candle here. So I'm looking for a pullback. And then I want to see a continuation to at least this high. And this is why we set the buy limit in here, in the group on Friday. Now, this is the first zone. If this fails, obviously the next zone that we're going to be looking for buys from is this zone here. So these are the two zones that I'm looking at for price to give us confirmation from going into next week. Now, if we go back to the weekly a moment, or the daily is clearer. While price is above this level, I'm looking for buys. If price breaks back below this level, I'm going to be looking for sells. This is a key level right here. So if we go back to the 4-hour now, let me see, imbalance there. So let's go back, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. So we can start to refine price now and see where the entries that we took, 404, I think it was, yeah, but it's on the lower time frames. So this was the first zone I saw on the 1-hour, and then we refined it. So you see here, look, we've got a lot of bullish momentum come out of this imbalance here, which isn't completely filled yet. But we broke structure here on the lower time frames. And now I'm looking for price to pull back and give us that continuation from here. On the 15-minute, I think we took the entry, yes, because there's our zone right there. Once we close back into Asia, boom, I wanted to see price come back down, reject from this level here, and give us that continuation. And that's what I'm going to be looking for. The first trade I'm going to be looking for going into next week. And then if that fails here, then I'm going to be looking for price to reject from this zone for them continuations. Now, if that zone fails as well, then obviously the bias is then going to be flipping to sells like this. So we'll update that later in the week in the groups if we cross that bridge. So guys, that's it for gold. That's all I'm looking for. Let's jump over onto the Discord really quick. So on the website, blackswanfx.com, you've got access to this free group here. You'll see click to join free Discord. Now, you can see all of these tabs. You've got the Funded Lab, which is the automated prop firm passing and payout process. The Funded Lab Futures, which is the same process just in the futures. The Companions, which are trading robots that have been built using proven manual day trading strategies with the attempt to actually automate them strategies. And those are exactly what they say on the tin. A day trading companion is a companion to actually help you with your own manual trading. Proper risk management, proper position sizing, that kind of stuff. Basically, to be used as training wheels. And then the Crypto Lab. So if you've got any questions on these, I mean, number one, go to the website. Watch the videos on the website first. And then, if you want any questions from there, drop them in the live chat. But also make sure you get in the free groups here and come check out the free channels. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoy the rest of your Sunday. And peace out. Bosh.